Alex Hormozi's caption style is taking social media by storm. Those bold, attention-grabbing subtitles that make you stop scrolling? Yeah, those. Today, I'll show you how to create them in just 60 seconds using AI. Let's dive in. First, head over to quso.ai and log into your account. Click Generate AI Captions, and then simply drag and drop your video here or paste your YouTube link. Make sure your language is set correctly. quso.ai supports over 100 languages. Then hit Generate Captions. quso.ai uses AI to automatically transcribe your video. This usually takes less than 30 seconds depending on your video length. Once processed, you'll see your video with basic captions. Don't worry if they're not in Hormozi style yet. We'll fix that in the next step. Now for the magic touch. Click Edit and go to Subtitles in the left menu. Then select Styles, choose Elevate, or for more impact, use Highlight, and boom. Your captions instantly transform. quso.ai has perfectly replicated the bold, attention-grabbing aesthetic that Hormozi uses in his videos. Let's make these captions truly pop. Click on Text Effects to access more options. And use the below guidelines. Font, Montserrat Bold works great, but you can choose others. Color. Pick high contrast colors that match your brand. Size, go big. Hormozi's captions are meant to be seen. Now Hormozi loves using emojis for extra impact. Click the emoji tool in the subtitles to add them strategically. Now you are ready to share your Hormozi style masterpiece. Click Export, select your quality. I recommend 1080p and hit download. In seconds, you'll have your professionally captioned video ready to go viral. And there you have it, Alex Hormozi style captions in just 60 seconds with quso.ai. No more hours spent trying to recreate this look manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more video editing tips. Let me know in the comments which caption style you want me to show next.